turning 12 this April, he's already 5'9.5". Yeah, it's unreal. And then his feet are already 10.5. So parang, it's a day-to-day process of getting to know what I can do and what I cannot do. And it's also parang, I'm grateful because the people I work with are taking my health into consideration. Because it's like, there are things na I'm best not exposing myself to. Lalong-lalo na because my immunity really is not at its strongest. So even now, we're learning na we're changing so many things at home to make it friendlier for me and to make it easier for me to be able to function properly and to still have a life. Because I think that's the one misconception that I'd like to correct with everybody. Na when you have an autoimmune, and I have 4, there are good days and there are bad days. And there are days that are bad but you still have to work. So those are the days that you soldier on. And I think that for me, the biggest fear is when I wake up na the rashes are all over the face. Kasi before it used to be easy to hide na they would just be in my arms and my legs. But now na umakyat na siya and medyo talagang malalaki and it's your face. And so talagang magdadasal ka na lang na please let it fade enough because I need time and then magpa-pack up ka and because I'm one producing, may pack-up fee. So parang sabi ko, oh gosh, it's something that's unpredictable. So, but it's also something that has taught me to appreciate everything so much more. Yung parang, the times na I get to give the boys as much of myself as I can when I'm healthy, and the fact that they go way beyond what they should be doing in trying to take care of me, that makes me realize just how blessed I am. And yun, I think that today, I worked yesterday, I'm working today, but the next 2 days, yun, bed rest kailangan. And then Monday I'll work, and then after that, because that's a whole day shoot, that's 8 hours, the next 2 days after that, rest ulit. Because hindi kaya talaga. Just a last specific detail, I'm on 22 different medications. I mean 22 pieces of medicine and vitamins to keep me going. And I'm grateful because we've been wondering what's wrong with me for 4 years, and finally I got so many answers. And that was what I was praying for. I didn't pray for a cure because I know that it's not gonna happen, but I just wanted to know. I'm the type of person, I prefer to know what I'm battling so that we're all ready. I don't discuss it as much because my siblings are not comfortable. Sila yung medyo in denial pa. And the 2 boys nga are okay because I've been able to explain it to them. And but for my sisters, when I start discussing it, parang they try to change the topic into something lighter and happier because I think because I'm the youngest, they're not ready for their baby sister to be discussing mortality.
How does product na lang for help you to take care of your...
Yung sa baon, yung talaga yung kasi nagpa-order before ng okay, like this. My allergy is such na if the oil was used to fry, like ang in-order ko had from a Japanese restaurant was chicken, and I'm okay with chicken, but I have a feeling nagamit na yung oil for other things. So, nung kinain yon, automatic. Talagang, and it's fast like within 2 hours, na-witness na nila to, na nangyayari sa akin talaga, na biglang namamagana, namamantang na and everything. So, this helps a lot because we've learned na the doctors also said na it's best bring the food yourself because you really never know. So it's an adjustment also. Even places where we eat, yung ano talaga, we're a lot more careful. And I'm a lot more forgiving of myself because I know I'm such a workaholic, but I already know when the days na I know hindi ko kaya. And sinasabi ko talaga na before pipilitin ko kasi mahihiya ako and there was that fear na, oh my God, papalitan ako. But now, parang I said, I cannot continue doing this and not damaging myself permanently. So there, that's the that I think yung talaga, the fact that I'm trying to save this too much details. Hindi naman. Kasi we have my own refrigerator at home para talaga to avoid any cross-contamination. And that's only one of the things, like, there are like 3 pages of things that I'm allergic to. Anything else that you would want to know? Kasi tinitingnan ko yung time. We do have time. We have 15 minutes.
Hi, Grace.
Yes.
Hi.
How are you?
Yes, you look so good as usual.
Thank you.
My question, going back to the baon, since you mentioned your personal favorites, how about being a mom of 2 boys? How do you prepare? What do you use here in Aswell for your boys?
Bembes homeschooled So, hindi siya nagbabaon. Si Kuya, ang binabaon niya is, alam ko meron siyang trail mix. Like, he likes, kailangan may snack in between. So, yun yung, and we really try na healthy yung mga binabaon niya. So, di ba yung katapat nito, those resealable ones, di ba, there's Ziploc, there's Glad, there's Lock and all, but now na may Japan, yun ang ginagamit namin. And parang, my sisters encouraged me, they said na, can you try to go back to the things that you were enjoying doing before? So, I can't stay too long in front of the oven, in front of, kasi it's a wok if I'm cooking and it's too hot. But ako yung nagtitimpla. So, pag nagpapadala ako ng food, I send it using Aswell, and then I say, I'm so shy, you don't have to return the lalagyan. No, kasi parang, di ba, sometimes sasabihin nila, sorry mo sasabihin ko, yours na, it's from us.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hi, I'm Dina. You mentioned earlier that you use the containers for oils and journals and cards. What other things have you stored in those containers? Like, do you use it for makeup or clothes when you travel?
Kasi yung sa makeup, we're only starting to organize. Na-organize ko yung lipsticks. Proud na na-organize yung lipsticks. But, di ba, they have kasi containers for that. And then, I wish they'd make more na parang of those, those acrylic drawers na and then the ones na merong set na I saw it in Amazon, so I want this. And I hope that Aswell will make that. Na, there's one na parang it's here, it's divided here, so you can put your notebooks or your paperwork here. And then, meron dito sa top, so you can put your label maker there. And then there are drawers under so that you can color code all your pens. So sana they'll innovate and make that also. Kasi I saw it, sabi ko, and di ba parang, yun, no offense na but I know naman where that came from, kasi sa Amazon. But kung galing Aswell, di parang feeling mo, di ba, mas social pag galing Japan? Let's be honest, diba totoo yun, and yung kasi like, especially when I make pasalubong, I tell them, padala nyo dun sa supot na Japanese para alam nila na galing Japan talaga. There, and di ba they package things so beautifully? That's what I wish I had more time inside the store because I wanted to see if in the Aswell store, things are packaged the way they package it in Japan. Diba, ang ganda doon? And so efficient. So, ito-test pa sila. Magme-mystery shopper ako. Para naman mystery. Oo, hindi naman mystery, okay. anything else that you would like to know? And the only thing that I noticed though, price point, think of it lang as an investment. It's, at least think of it that it's not something that you're just gonna throw away. At least it'll be something that will last and hopefully will make your families a lot more organized, because life is busy enough and we spend so much time, diba, traveling sa traffic and everything. So pag gusto mo naman umuwi ka, masaya talaga kung everything is neat. And yes.
You speak of your love for Japan. When did it start? As in, a small backstory lang so that...
Siguro sa Rio.
Oh, okay.
I would assume na
So
ano,
everything started from San Rian and ever since you fell in love na. Because I noticed even on your IG and in your show, there is like a significant love talaga for the country, Japan.
Yes, as in, I would think it would be that because grade 1, I know na, because my maternal lola, so my lola ma, her sister was in the diplomatic corps and she was assigned in Japan. So I felt so proud kasi I was one of the first who had complete na Hello Kitty na, you know, the magnetic na mga pencil case. And all, tapos with all the ano, tapos ninakaw. Siguro, and then my mom said, see, because you brought it, nag-show off ka, kaya tuloy ninakawan ka. Sabi ko, syempre, di ba gusto mo nang pakita na you were the first one to have it. And then, I remember na, so, grade 1, I was only second honors. So, my dad said, pag first honors ka, you can have, kasi at that point, nag-switch na yung allegiance. Little twin stars na yung gusto. So, I wanted, there was a dollhouse na little twin stars. It's all pink, di ba? So, yung, and then, so, I was first honors, but when we were gonna buy it na, wala na siya. So, parang I think yung ano, it started then. So, I'm looking back na 6 years old, love ko na everything Japanese, and every time we go, we're just happy. We've never had a trip to Japan na the three of us were not happy. It's our happy place, but there are people in my family more than me, like me, siguro at 4 times to 6 times a year. My sisters 8 times. Because naka-register sila dun sa mga budget airline. So pag biglang may chupsi, bili ka agad lahat. And then they take short trips and they're the adventurous ones. They go to Fukuoka, Nagoya, they go to so many other places. Ako na una, hello. No, I'm sorry, I'm not being mayabang, pero I was the first one na nagpunta dun sa ni Seco. Diba? And then, ako yun. Diba? Tapos, ako yung una nag-post in the snow. It's beautiful siya talaga. But, my problem is now na, I cannot tolerate the cold too much. So, medyo hirap na hirap ako talaga. So, yung snow medyo low. And, I think also, God is good because there's a restriction for me na I cannot take flights more than 6 hours. Until I pass the next test in April when I go back to Singapore. So, because of diba yung air na nagsi-circulate lang na ano. So, Japan is perfect kasi tamang-tama lang yung timing. We love the people because they're so courteous and helpful, and even if there's a language barrier, they always try to be helpful. Second, they're so efficient. Pati sa tax refund, ang efficient nila, binibigay ka agad. Diba? Not like with the others. I'm not naming other countries kasi that's their prerogative naman. Pero yung in Japan, it's right away, binawas na. And they're really the best. And then you feel everything is so clean. And you feel na even if you walk around at 2 in the morning, walang mangyayari sa'yo. You'll be happy and you'll be safe. And then the boys, they just adore it so much because they said, even the American food daw, in Japan tastes better. Okay, meron silang favorite na burger. To avoid any conflicts with my endorsement, I'm pretty sure you know that it's opening soon. Pero they said that they've tried it in the States, they've tried it in Hong Kong, but they said nothing beats the Japanese version of that. And then, I don't know if I'm allowed to mention it, pero wala naman siya dun sa list. Siguro, nung time na yon, when I signed the contract, hindi pa siya but so pwede ko i-mention. Denny's in Japan, oh my God, iba siya. It's really masarap. As in talagang, no offense sa Denny's dito and pero yung talagang, the Japanese Denny's, even the Hawaii Denny's and the LA Denny's, ang layo. Parang talagang 20 million miles away sila from how sarap it is there. And then I have to mention, because it was the megastar, Sharon who taught me about Gyunhaku. Because we love Sakura, we love Yakiniku. Value for money talaga. As in, ang daming kinain. Ilan Bingkay? Ikaw, ako, Rochelle, Alvin. Tayong apat ba? Oh. Basta there were 4 of us, and as in, puro wagi in order ko. I didn't make tipid Okay, pero the entire bill, including, we had bibimbap, and then we had additional orders pa and everything. Parang everyone had 2 platters of each. Pag kinonvert mo to pesos, it was 5,500 pesos. Eh, di ba dito, that's 1 order lang? Ay my God, talagang I can wax poetic about Japan. Pwede ko pag-usapan siya for 20 hours. At hindi ka, and iba the water. Yung talaga, sorry kumikinis talaga ako doon. Marami akong the mga ayaw mag-heal na mga, kasi I scratch, sorry, nagagalit sila sa akin talaga. But doon, nawawala. Yung talaga. And they know us na kasi because I'm a creature of habit, and I don't know if you're like me na you love collecting points sa miles and sa and rewards sa mga hotels. So, meron akong loyalty talaga. So, yun, yung we have a hotel na parang, oh, you're back again. Parang ganun, parang kulang na lang na sabihin nila, resident ka na dito. Oo, malapit na, And it's just, for me talaga, since we love milk, they have the most delicious milk in the world. Swear. Oh, Karen is a milk. Okay. Parang, no, parang, kasi people always wonder, I mean, my 2 sons did have tall fathers, but they're really exceptionally tall because 2 glasses of milk a day pa rin sila until now. Strong bones, strong teeth, and no cavities.
Thank you.
Anything else that you'd like me to answer?
All right, Miss Chris, thank you very much for being so accommodating. And we'd like to ask our friends from As Well Philippines and from